guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Causebox intro box unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. It is so cute. I love the design. This subscription box reminds me so much of FabFitFun. The boxes look very similar to both seasonal boxes, lifestyle boxes. You get similar items in both. And I think you get like the same amount of items if I'm not mistaken, and it's around the same price point. So yeah, just wanted to mention that. Also, it supports many charities, hence the name Causebox. So I just love Causebox. I don't get it all the time. I get it kind of here and there. I would say maybe once a year. I haven't committed to it just yet, but I think I might. So anyways, I wasn't going to film this video because I didn't know if you would be interested in it, but I ended up opening it earlier and I fell in love. It is such an amazing box. It's probably hands down the best box I have ever received from Causebox. So this is their intro box. I think it's like a welcome box. It was $25. I thought that was a great price. I think you get less items than you normally would in their regular box, but this box is amazing. It is still available, but I do believe that each intro box is different, so you may receive different items if you were to sign up. But I just love my box. I wasn't expecting this, to be honest. So this is what the inside looks like. Super cute. There's this like booklet. I think it's got info on the company. So I knew I was getting this item. I didn't get to choose like a design or anything. I just knew there was going to be a Swell water bottle, which is so exciting. I own a few of these. They are amazing. Water bottles are super useful. And yeah, I love the design. It's snakeskin. It's got to be the cutest one that I own now. And yeah, definitely love it. So I don't know how much that is. They gave cards on all of the items, so it's got like info and the prices and everything. But I do believe that's around $20 or $25. So yeah. Then we have this pack of hair scrunchies from the brand Banded, and it says 1 pack equals 3 meals. So again, they help out many charities, so if you buy 1 pack, you're feeding people basically. So that is amazing. And these are super cute. So you get white, yellow, and pink. And let's find the card. So that is worth $10, and I would say that's a pretty fair price because you're also helping out like a charity. So that is awesome. So then we have this item here, which is so exciting. I actually thought it was a blanket, but it's the swim cover up, which I think is so amazing, so appropriate because you know it's summer. And look how cute this is. I love the fringes. I love the colors, yellow and pink. I love that it's oversized, and it feels really good. It feels like it's well made. So I'm super excited to use that. That is worth $118, so that's very expensive. The brand is Tribe Alive. So I have received items from that brand before, I think in FabFitFun. So again, super excited to try this out. And yeah, so then we have this, and it's called Wild Cognac Facial Cleansing Sponge. So this kind of reminds me of the Spongel sponges. This one is for your face. It's got like a hangy thing. It doesn't really smell like anything, but honestly it shouldn't because it's for your face. But this is super useful. I'm super excited to try it. So that is worth $16.90. So there's one last item, and it's this here, Derma E Hydrating Night Cream. I love getting skincare items. I'm always looking for a good night cream for sure. And let's check this out. So So it's a glass jar, and it's got a seal. So that is worth $29.50. So that is everything that I got in my box. Again, amazing box, don't you agree? So amazing, I can't even choose like which item I love the most. Like, it's all equal. Yeah, like literally everything, I can't choose, but I highly recommend looking into the subscription service. Amazing. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I will see you all next time.